Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to find your UID on Bitget, so let's start. So just click here on Bitget wallet, just wait a little bit until this start to beginning. So now that we are here on a Bitget wallet, just go to the left corner, okay, so just click there, and then just click on my wallet. And there appears the ID, so just you have to copy this, and then when you copy your ID, just you have to share on your social networks or by message, whatever you want. So that's the way to find your UID on Bitget without any problem. As you can see, it was very easy to do it. So I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.